Right, I want to demonstrate what I call the bench press 50. So this is just a little bit of an unorthodox challenge to be done on a flat bench. You can do it on an incline as well if you wanted to, even a Smith machine potentially. I like to do it on the flat. Word of warning, in terms of managing the risk of it failing on you, make sure you've got a spotter unless you are advanced. But what we're going to do, and I'll just demonstrate with the bar, is we're going to start with a close grip for 10. Okay, then we go to your neutral grip, normal grip for 10. Then we go a wide grip for 10. We come back to neutral, and then we come back to close. So it adds up to 50 total. You want to try and do that unbroken. So start really light, understand where your limitation and your threshold sits, and then obviously you can work up and challenge yourself through potentially maybe 8 weeks of doing this to get further along. So it's going to build up muscular endurance through the chest. It's also going to build up your chest, and it's working the chest in 3 different ways. So it's a simple setup and a simple movement, but it's obviously very challenging. So we're going to start with the close grip first, tuck the elbows off the chest, and then potentially get your 10 out. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, once you've done your 10, shift slowly but surely back to a normal grip, and then we complete that for 10, right? I won't do the 10 just for save time. Then we go wider out to the outside rings of the knurling, and then you're obviously stretching that chest, stretching that tendon. That's your 10 there, and then you come back to the neutral grip. Now if you need a spotter to obviously adjust this or rack it, you can. Preferably you want to keep the load under tension the whole time, and then you go back to your close grip for 10. So that totals 50. It's incredibly challenging. It's going to build up a lot of tension, a lot of stimulus. You're going to get that sting that everyone chases, but I tell you what, it's a fantastic exercise. So give that one a go. Love to hear feedback on the loads that people are lifting with that. Surprisingly, if you can bench, say, 100 kilos doing this, you're probably only going to be able to do it for 30 or 40. It's surprising how humbling you have to be in order to get it done. So love to hear that. So welcome to the Bench Press 50. Love to get some feedback on that one.